Lane, what do we have here?
Fucking home.
Sick little rat's nest in our new project car. 1977 Buick Skylark. With a Buick 350 in it. That is not staying. We are 100% doing the typical LS swap. But it's cheap and we're poor. It's what it is.
Just like the rat's nest?
Yeah. Please don't blow up.
Oh! We got lights!
Yeah, we do. Check to see if you can put the headlights on.
You got headlights?
You got marker lights.
Huh.
Try.
The wipers won't work.
They want to work?
Yeah.
Try it. No? It's not in park.
I think the ignition's just broken on it. Like the...
It won't turn?
Like, I think the whole thing's just spinning.
Oh yeah, probably.
I can't even get it turned off now.
Uh-oh. Did the lights all come on when we hooked the battery?
Yeah, like I got a light on the dash.
Those are the marker lights.
Some dash lights come on.
Try high beam. Nope.
Got no signals.
Oh, yeah, you do. Click it. Left's working. Or right's working. Go left. That works. I'm going to check the back.
Oh! It's going quick. Man.
Yep. Now, yeah, it's working. Brake. Yeah. Sick.
Now we just gotta figure out what to do about this.
Well, we can jump. Flick that switch on the front. On the dash. Right there. Huh. Where's the starter on this bitch? We can jump the starter. That even the dome light works.
Yeah.
Sick. Well, that sucks.
Oh, we got headlights.
Now try your high beam. Yeah, no, they both work. I can't believe the rats haven't eaten all of them. That's insane. Now, I guess we're gonna have to jump the starter.
That's just so sketchy.
Well, he signed a bill of sale, so it probably isn't stolen.
I just want to see if I can. It doesn't have a tilt column.
Yeah, that kind of sucks.
And we'd never get this off without taking the steering wheel off. And you probably don't have a.
No, but we could smack it.
You got a screwdriver?
Where'd that flathead go? You had it back here. Found it. Here.
Is that just like the underlay to the headliner?
Yeah.
It looks like tar paper.
Well, that's what my car looks like too.
Yeah.
That's what the Dart looks like. There's bolts from the back, I think.
Is there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Turn over, baby. I pulled it off just to see what happened. Try?
Nothing.
Try? Well, that's our issue. It's not grounded properly.
Did that get really hot?
Nope, it just sparked. You want to do ether or that? Do you think it'll shut off? If it should. It has slots.
Maybe it won't even have spark.
Yeah, who knows?
Ready?
Yep. Hold on. Try now. What?
Sick! You want to try some gas?
Yes. Hold this.
Yeah!
I'll do my best.
Be careful with the sparking and stuff.
Yeah.
Do you want to go in the water bottle or?
Try and get both sides. Come on. Come on. More than that.
Come on.
There you go.
Give me the gusto. Don't be scared. Oh. Don't want that getting caught.
Nope. Oh, try now. It runs! We had no idea if it was gonna run or not. It runs. Bad ground.
It runs. Bad ground on the starter.
It runs. It fucking runs.
Hell yeah!
Fix the ground properly and do burnouts. Probably not this time, but it's gonna happen before we swap anything else in this
Before
car.
the engine comes out, it's doing a burnout.
Hell yeah.
2 weeks later.
Might have to. It's pumping out of the tank! It's pumping out of the tank! Get it out! It started pulling out of the tank! Right here!
Did it really?
Yes!
Fuck.
Do you have another screw we can stick in there?
Yeah.
Maybe, at least.
How's it pumping out of the tank though? We have the fuel.
Maybe there's just a little bit in there.
cut. We have the line going, that line cut though, right?
Yeah, it's off down there. Unless it's pulling out of that jug.
No, it wouldn't be pulling out that
No,
bottle.
that's varnish for sure.
There's just old fuel
That's in the pump.
that's in the pump. We might just have to run it and let it make a bit of a mess here.
It shouldn't catch nothing on fire. Do we have to keep the fuel pump burning, or will it pull through it?
No, you'll probably have to just like bump it. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Now we have the fuel pump on. The bag got caught in the van. It sounds healthy.
Yeah, like
See if it'll fire up without me putting the pump on. It's probably got enough fuel in the
bowl.
in the hose too. Nope. It's flooded. That was transmission.
What's that?
Yeah.
Oh, Chinese toast. Don't think we'll be doing a burnout.
And you won't be chilly.
Trans blew up on idle. Don't know why,
Yeah.
but the engine will come out this week. Then we can have a roller. And then we can work on making an LS fit in this hunk of shit.